Hi, I'm Kristen with Been Beyond, here to share with you reason number 2 of our 5 reasons why you have to be practicing yoga and Inferno Pilates for longevity and overall health. Reason number 2 is that yoga and Inferno Pilates can help alleviate back pain. Back pain is the most common pain reported by adults, and experts say 80% of us will experience back pain at some point during our lives. Both yoga and Inferno Pilates stretch and strengthen the muscles that support your back and spine, helping to prevent and relieve pain there. Both practices also help relieve emotional stress that is commonly linked to chronic back pain. Tune in tomorrow for reason number 3 and join us this Saturday and Sunday for a weekend of free yoga and Inferno Pilates classes where you'll feel welcomed, supported, and inspired to live your best life. Click the link below and sign up for your free class now.